The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to our computer virtual class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Yes, and I am really happy to know that you all have completed your notes well. Right, so let's start today's session with some shortcut keys. Yes, we have already learned few shortcut keys on previous sessions. Right, so let's start it. So what is shortcut key? Yes, we can do some functions by using the keyboard. Right, so let's see how to use shortcut key for undo and redo. Yes, so you can press the control key and you can hold it, then you can press the Z on the keyboard for undo and you can press Y for redo. Okay, so control plus Z is undo and control plus Y is redo. Right, and for cut, copy. Yes, for cut you can use control plus X. Yes, what is this plus? Yes, you have to hold the control button. So control plus X is cut and control plus C is copy. Right, so what are the shortcut keys? Undo, control plus Z, redo, control plus Y, and cut, control plus X, and copy, control plus C. So with this shortcut keys, let's start today's session. So today we are going to see mini toolbar. Okay, our last topic in chapter 4. So let's see that. Yes, so what is this mini toolbar? Yes, see, the commands which we commonly used, we can see directly without seeing in the home tab. Home tabിലേക്ക് പോവാതെ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ചില ഓപ്ഷൻസ് നമുക്ക് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. Yes, so that is what mini toolbar and it includes the commands which are commonly used. Common ആയിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മോസ്റ്റ്ലി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കമൻസ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് mini toolbar. Right? Yes. So see here. So here we have a word. Yes, now I am going to select this. Yes, by using mouse. See, once you select a word, you can see some transparent mini toolbar here. Then you pass the mouse pointer over this. You can see this clearly. Right? So this is what mini toolbar. Yes, and we have already discussed all these options on the previous class itself. Right? So let's see one more time. Okay. So what is this? Yes, these are the styles, right? You can change your selected word style by using this, right? And this is what? Font, right? And the next, the number. Yes, what is this? Font size. This is to increase or decrease your selected word or paragraph, right? And the next one is grow font. Yes, and next is shrink font. Yes, this is to increase and decrease respectively, right? And B is to make the word bold, and next I make it italic, then underline to give underline to the selected word, right? And this is alignment. You can see the center alignment in the mini toolbar. Yes. Then next one is text highlight color. Yes, you can give a background color for the selected word, so it will be highlighted, right? Then next is font color. You can give color to the selected word, You can give color to the selected word. Yes. Okay, then. Yes, children. So I hope you have understood the topic. Right. Now our chapter is over. Let's do our textbook activities. Right. So take page number 42. Yes. See. Yes. So we have to do this. Tick the correct answer. Match the following and true or false. Okay. And you have to send it to me. So this is your activity. So do it and send it to me. Okay. And complete your pending notes if it is there. Okay. So be safe. Be happy. Thank you.